For homeowners in Orange Park, windows are more than just a source of light and fresh air. They're also a critical part of your home's safety. Old, worn out, or poorly installed windows can become weak points that intruders exploit. That's why many Orange Park residents turn to window replacement not only for comfort and energy efficiency but also for better home security. Upgrading your windows can make a big difference in protecting your property, your family, and your peace of mind. Stronger materials for better protection. Older windows often use thin glass and basic wooden or aluminum frames that can deteriorate over time. New replacement windows are designed with stronger, more durable materials, tempered or laminated glass. These glass types are much harder to break than standard panes. Laminated glass, in particular, holds together even if shattered, making it extremely difficult for intruders to get inside. Vinyl and composite frames. Modern frames resist warping, rotting, or corroding, which means they stay solid and harder to tamper with. By upgrading your windows, you're creating a sturdier barrier against forced entry. Advanced locking system security isn't just about the glass, it's also about how well the window locks. Many older Orange Park homes still have outdated single latch locks that are easy to pry open. Today's replacement windows feature multi-point locking systems and reinforced hardware that provide a much tighter and more secure seal. These modern locks make it far more challenging for intruders to gain access, giving homeowners an added layer of defense. Impact-resistant options for Florida weather. Orange Park, like much of Florida, is no stranger to strong storms and hurricane season winds. Impact-resistant windows are designed to handle both extreme weather and potential break-ins. Storm protection. They withstand flying debris and heavy wind pressure. Security protection. The same strength that protects against storms also makes them tough to break during an attempted burglary. This dual benefit makes impact-resistant windows an especially valuable upgrade for Orange Park homeowners. Improved visibility and awareness. Newer windows often feature larger, clearer glass panels and low-profile frames, which improve visibility around your property. Being able to see clearly outside your home can enhance security by allowing you to spot unusual activity quickly. At the same time, optional features like tinted or frosted glass can maintain privacy, keeping prying eyes from seeing inside your home. Smart technology integration. Some modern replacement windows are designed to work with smart home security systems. Options include sensors and alarms. Integrated sensors alert you if a window is tampered with or opened unexpectedly. Remote monitoring. Smart systems let you check window status from your phone, no matter where you are. For Orange Park homeowners who value both convenience and security, integrating replacement windows with smart technology is a worthwhile upgrade. Added peace of mind. Perhaps the biggest benefit of window replacement for home security is the peace of mind it brings. Knowing that your windows are built to resist intrusion, weather damage, and everyday wear helps you feel confident that your home and family are protected. This sense of security can also increase property value. Buyers are often willing to pay more for homes with upgraded, secure windows. Final thoughts for Orange Park homeowners. Window replacement is more than just an aesthetic or energy-saving project. It's a powerful way to strengthen home security. From durable materials and impact-resistant glass to advanced locking systems and smart technology, modern windows provide layers of protection that older windows simply can't match. If you're considering replacing your windows, think of it as an investment in safety, comfort, and long-term value. With the right windows and professional installation, your Orange Park home can be more secure, resilient, and ready for anything.